The number one mistake that I see in people when they're first starting out, manifesting, creating their realities, tapping into the feelings of already having what they want. They start and they go and tell the world. They go and tell their family. They go and tell their friends. They go and tell everybody. But they don't realize that everybody has a perception of you already created. And if their perception is not in alignment with the one that you desire to be, then their energy can throw you off. And if you're in constant communication with them, then ultimately you're going to stay in the same place. That external energy is actually going to block you from creating and manifesting the life that you want. So this is what I recommend everybody to do when they're starting to visualize, they're starting to do their affirmations, they're starting to, really tap into these feelings and fully believe that what they want is already theirs, and they're expressing it and they're taking action and they're doing all of these things. I want you to do it in silence. I want you to go completely ghost, because only in solitude can you actually start thinking new ideas that are in alignment with your desired reality. Can you start feeling these feelings? And can you start making the choices? But most importantly, express them. There is fear that's holding us back from expressing the ones that we desire to be. Fear of judgment. What are they going to think of us? What are they going to think of us? On top of just them already having this perception of us created. So in solitude, you can express. When you visualize and when you tap into these feelings, close the door to your room, close the door to the world, essentially, right? Just start expressing it in your room. Nobody's watching you. Start walking like that person, talking like that person, doing everything that that person would do. Express it. Many of us are not expressing this person because of all these fears. And alongside, we're just telling everybody what we're doing. And then that person goes, in the back and they say, look at this person, he's trying to really manifest things that, they're trying to do this and they're trying to do that. And then they start speaking negatively. And then maybe you pick up on that and you're like, you know what? I guess I can't do it. I guess these doubts. And it's so important to manifest in silence. This is why they say close the door, withdraw from the world and enter your inner world. Visualize yourself already having what you desire. Feel the feelings that would be yours. Believe that you already are this person you desire to be. Let others confirm the change for you. You don't have to tell them, hey, I'm creating myself. Hey, I'm manifesting these things. No, let them say, wow, you recreated yourself. You're manifesting these things. That right there is what will now put you in the place and reaffirm all that you've been trying to believe, all that you've been trying to manifest for you. But when you do it before, when you start telling everybody what you're doing, no. This outside energy is going to throw you off. And also, if you're in constant communication, again, with your environment, and if they're not in alignment with what you're trying to create, with what you are manifesting, then you have to do it in solitude. You have to go ghost. It may be hard to go ghost because, your friends, maybe they want to hang out, right? These people, they want you to be in their lives, and, they want to chat with you. They want to speak with you. However, if you're in constant communication with somebody who's not in alignment, no matter what, it's going to take you off your path. That's not to say, stop talking to them forever. No, they should respect you, your family, your friends, all of the people. If you're recreating yourself, if you're doing good, if you want to manifest a new world, everybody should respect that, especially the people who are truly for you. I'm working on myself. I'm busy right now. I'm doing this. I'm recreating myself. And that's it. And that's what we have to do. If they see that in a sense of, come on, what are you doing? No, that's what's stopping so many of us from actually doing what we want. We're manipulated. Our choices are being manipulated by other people. Our thoughts are being manipulated by other people. Our feelings are being manipulated by other people. Everything is being manipulated by other people. When can we choose our own thoughts, feelings, and expressions? When can we make our own choices? In solitude. That's when we fully decide, I am truly withdrawing from the world. And I'm not going to tell anybody what I'm doing. I'm going to let everybody confirm the change for me when it happens. Now, it's going to get to the point where you have such confidence in yourself. When you truly know where you are and where you're going, there's going to come the time when no matter what anybody tells you, it doesn't matter. You don't care because you know who you are and you know where you're going. However, if you're currently in the progress of recreating yourself, it's not going to be easy. You have to get to that point where you know who you are, you know where you're going. There's nobody in the world that's going to tell you otherwise. There's nobody that's going to get in between you and your creation. That's it. When you get to that point, now it doesn't matter. But please get to that point first of full confidence before you go around telling people, oh, I'm doing this, everything is turning out great. You don't want to tell people. You want to just do this in silence. Let people tell you instead of you telling people. Stop working with the world. Let the world work for you. The world is but a reflection. You don't gotta work with the world. You just work with what's happening right here. Others will confirm your change. That's all I wanted to say for this video. Work in silence and don't tell people everything that you're doing, and go ghost and stay in solitude, just temporarily, so you can truly express yourself as the one that you desire to be, so you can truly align your thoughts and feelings. Focus on yourself. Do it for you, because you're worth it, because you want it. It's time you get it. Thank you for being here. Let us keep creating.